Yes, this is a memory. This is a memory replaying, and my advice, I don't have any advice. I can give you the what I would do. I would clean. As long as I would have this thought, and as long as I would have this memory, and doesn't matter how many years, many months, weeks, I don't know how much, doesn't matter. As long as I would have this memory, I would do the process. Because another thing is, when a dog comes in our life, it is bringing us love. It is opening our mind to unconditional love. And maybe you've seen, I have my dog behind me, and when he gets sick, I work on myself.
Mm.
We all do. This is human, and we all are humans. But keep on cleaning, and your dog is giving you an opportunity to remember to clean.